Hey guys, it's Desiree and welcome to another one of my cooking videos where I take a recipe from my food blog Rican Vegan and show you how to make it. In this video, I'm making a vegan omelet that's perfect for breakfast. Before, if you wanted to recreate an egg dish in a plant-based way, you only had a few options like tofu scramble or an omelet made with chickpea flour. Nowadays, it's becoming easier to recreate egg dishes using plant-based ingredients because there are new products coming out that are specifically designed to look, feel, and taste like an egg without involving any chickens. There's vegan easy egg, vegan egg, and just egg, which are just some of the plant-based egg products that are out there that you can use to make this recipe. I have another video where I tasted different plant-based egg products to see which ones were worth trying that you can watch. There's a link for that video up here. For this recipe, I use vegan egg, but you can use any plant-based egg product you like. I'm using these bunashmeji mushrooms for this recipe, but you can use any kind of mushrooms. These mushrooms are easy to clean since you just have to cut off the ends of the mushrooms and the individual mushrooms easily break apart. In a bowl, add your vegan egg substitute. To make the vegan egg, add some water to the powder and mix together until all of the lumps are gone. Add some low sodium all-purpose seasoning and whisk together. Add some plant-based milk and continue to whisk. Heat a pan with some vegan butter. Add the chopped mushrooms, carrots, onions, green peppers, tomatoes, and cook for 5 minutes or until they're almost tender. Add some greens and cook until wilted. Slowly pour the vegan eggs into the skillet and make sure it's spread evenly throughout the pan. Let the vegan eggs cook until they are firm. Add some shredded vegan cheese and cover the pan. This will allow the vegan cheese to melt quicker since it takes a lot longer to melt when it's uncovered. With a spatula, gently fold the omelet in half. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I've included a link to the full recipe in the description below. If you like this video, then hit that like button. Also subscribe to my channel for more recipe videos like this one and hit the bell to get notified of when I post new videos. If you're not following me on social media, then go follow me right now at Rican Vegan on Facebook and Instagram. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.